Welcome to 10 Essential Formulas in MS Excel for Beginners video tutorial. If you're new to Microsoft Excel or want to improve your spreadsheet skills, you're in the right place. In this video, we will cover 10 essential formulas that every beginner should know in order to excel in Excel. From basic calculations to data analysis, we've got you covered. So, let's get started. Formula 1. Sum. The sum formula in Excel allows you to quickly add up a range of cells. Whether it's a simple calculation or summing a large dataset, you'll learn how to use the sum formula effectively. Formula 2. Average. The average formula helps you find the mean value of a range of cells. We'll demonstrate how to easily calculate averages and apply formatting to improve the visual representation. Formula 3. Count. The count formula is used to count the number of cells that contain numerical values. You'll discover how to count various elements within a dataset and use this information in your analyses. Formula 4. Max and min. The max and min formulas determine the largest and smallest values in a range of cells, respectively. Learn how to extract these values and utilize them to filter and analyze your data more effectively. Formula 5. If function. The if function allows you to perform logical tests on your data. It helps you make decisions based on specific conditions and enables you to automate processes within your spreadsheets. Formula 6. VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is a powerful formula used to search for a specific value in your spreadsheet and retrieve corresponding data. We'll guide you through the step-by-step process of using VLOOKUP effectively. Formula 7. Concatenate. The concatenate formula lets you merge multiple text strings into one. Whether you need to combine first and last names or combine data from different columns, concatenate is your go-to formula. Formula 8. Now. The now formula provides you with the current date and time in your spreadsheet. We'll show you how to automate this function and format it to display the information in your preferred style. Formula 9. Len. The len formula counts the number of characters in a cell. It's incredibly useful for various scenarios, such as verifying text limits or extracting specific segments from a larger text string. Formula 10. PMT. The PMT formula calculates the monthly payment for a loan or mortgage. We'll demonstrate how to set up this formula and customize it based on your specific financial needs. Congratulations! You've now learned the 10 essential formulas in MS Excel for beginners. Whether you're working on personal projects or professional tasks, these formulas will undoubtedly boost your productivity and efficiency in Excel. Practice using these formulas regularly to solidify your understanding and explore their potential applications. Stay tuned for more Excel tutorials, tips, and tricks coming your way. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching.